go bam and go. This is, we do it too often, right? I transfer over to the paper, so we do it so often. Hang on, I gotta write this number down. This so MG, we always record it. We record everything. There's nothing that is not recorded. We fly, and it says flight 2 minutes of UBS research. She doesn't let me do that, man. This is the perfect size chopper. Perfect. No one else does it. You can't do, you know. Right. You can't do what we do. No one else can do what we do. You just saw. Oh, I didn't catch that.
Back,
Wow.
guys.
I've seen a lot in my little 100 hours, but dude, by far, that's.
This coast is awesome, huh?
This coast right here like no other.
We covered the best portion of Orange County coastline.
There's been others that have tried to do what we do. They don't know the coast. I grew up here. We know this thing inside and out like this. I mean, you tell me somebody's house, I might find it for you. Oh, I know where that's at.
Twist, you can hit the brake and twist.
Is that awesome? Yeah, that's good. Okay, I want a report from you. You got to go on there on Facebook. Oh, of course. I got my. I want you to tell everybody that you've been on a lot of cruises, man. I mean, a lot of tours, but this is by far. That's awesome.
I would love what we did. We know. I mean, it's the best portion of the coast.
It doesn't get any better,
43
man.
miles of Orange County coastline, and we're covering the best portion from the closest to
This
us.
is it. This is. It doesn't get. Watch your head on your way out. It doesn't get any better. And you know, I'm gonna back up. So, like the tours, I was with them. That was before. So, like, where you? You did what? You did recording? Yeah, yes. All my friends are like you guys here in LA. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. We all were trying to get our first job 7-8 years ago. So let me ask you, do you know anything here? Oh yeah. I know all the pilots over there. We're actually doing stuff with
Say hello, dude.
That was hot.
Yeah.
By far. You know what I mean? I told you, if we went any faster, I couldn't talk that fast.
Hey, did you guys see the dolphins and all that stuff?
No, we didn't see the
That
dolphins.
feeding frenzy wasn't still going on? Oh, man.
I'm torn between like the news industry and flying. So I'm trying to combine the two. One takes one. You know that. So on the now it's just private, occasional. Flying takes a long time. Like in El Salvador, it actually no helicopter. Not mine, but other people. 2 EC-120s in there that are private. This one's private. I've got 2 and I got another one coming. We got more EC-120s in one spot than anybody I know. We're EC-20, like, helicopter loves, huh? Star says that they can do this. No, they can't. I mean, it's different. They have one Belgian Ranger, but and then they're in Hawthorne, so I mean, it takes forever to get to downtown. No one else can get to the coast like us. You can't do it. Even if you're in Long Beach, you can't do it. Yeah, Civic, but they're way out there. Civic's great. Yeah, Civic is fantastic, but they're not in Orange County. Right. It's not the same. This is unique. I found you guys. Let me show her a 44. Oh, definitely, yeah.
You're looking at the freaking gauges.
Yeah, so
Look
now,
out!
like,
Look at the
I
gauges.
wanna go.
So this is trick.
Nice.
Doesn't get any better. The air conditioner on this thing just cranks it out. So we instrument trainer. So we just hired 2 instructors. Well, a few. So basic, we won't do it in 22. Basics out of 44. You're gonna go straight into instrument. You'll do your commercial. Switch over to turbine, and then we have NVG. It's just about STC, so we're just about done with getting our NVG. Is this nice? Man, it doesn't get any better than this.
What's your hourly rates, like 5?
We're still negotiating. But yeah, that's right.
So I'll come back to my training out here, and then as soon as you get up here along the coast, the mountain, river,
All our guys are high-end. Once you get in turbine, they're all cops. All my guys are cops. They're cops, military. I'm military. We're all cops, military guys. So you're getting the best of the best, the the latest. Want to do it? Let's go.
Wow.
How'd you like it? Wasn't that awesome? I told you I was going to show you some stuff. You go, I don't know about this pilot. I don't know about this Rick guy. I told you.
I stretched it out a little bit.
I stretched it out.
Don't tell Patty.
No, I won't.
She'll kill me, man.
What do you mean you stretched it out? She does everything but me. She's a great guy.
You fly the R66 yet?
You know, haven't flown the R66.
Not yet.
We're a little bit big above that. I mean, the R66 is fantastic, but we forgot. I got ECs, man.
No, I just wonder because a lot of times people fly a whole lot of different aircraft.
Yeah, that's why I was asking. No, I love the Robertson family. There's no doubt. But we really can't.